Imagine waking up and realizing 90% of jobs gone. No drivers, no cashiers, no office workers. Just AI everywhere. Sounds impossible? It's already happening. AI is writing content, driving cars, and doing your taxes. So the big question is, what happens to us if AI does almost all the work? How we got here? AI has evolved faster than any tech in history. From basic calculators to ChatGPT and self-driving cars, machines can now do what we thought only humans could. In 2023, Goldman Sachs estimated over 300 million full-time jobs could be automated. So let's break it down. What industries would be hit first? Office and admin, data entry, HR, and even coding. Driving and delivery, self-driving vehicles and drones, creative jobs, AI art, video, writing, healthcare, AI diagnosing patients and helping in surgeries. Basically, no job is 100% safe. But maybe that's not all bad. No more 9-5 grind? More time for hobbies, family, and passion projects? AI could eliminate boring tasks and let us live more meaningful lives. Just like machines during the Industrial Revolution, AI could free us, not replace us. But here's the dark side. Massive unemployment without retraining. Wealth gap explodes. AI-owning companies dominate. Psychological impact. Identity loss. Anxiety. Purpose crisis. And who controls the AI? Governments? Billionaires? You? This future isn't set in stone. Learn how to use AI. Prompt engineering, no-code tools. Build human skills. I can't replicate empathy, ethics, leadership, support, smart policies, UBI, upskilling, fair AI use. Don't fear AI. Learn to lead it. What do you think? Will AI destroy jobs or create freedom? Drop a comment and let's talk. And if you're into the future of tech and work, subscribe now. New videos every week.